1AAuto.com offers this trim tool set that's intended to make the removal of certain automotive parts easier and safer. You'll find the set comes with all sorts of shape and size tools for varying applications. Some are thin, some are a little wider. You'll also find that some have a curve to help with ease of gently prying something. Or this one right here even has an area where you can grab onto while tugging, if the situation requires it. These tools are most often used inside of the vehicle to remove trim panels from painted surfaces. Obviously, using plastic over something metal is much safer for painted surfaces, reducing the odds of scratching your painted surface, which other than looking bad, could also lead to rust in that area. Door panels are one of the most common areas to use a plastic trim tool set. You may use a thinner tool for areas like this, and a thicker one to remove the door panel from the door. There are several other common areas that plastic trim tools can be used in your vehicle, possibly along the door trim panel, down along here, or even maybe along the seat if you have a switch panel of some sort, and the list goes on and on. There's also the possibility of needing to remove push clips. These tools have an area that can get around the majority of the clip, and then you can gently pry that out of place. Easy peasy. Order this set from 1AAuto.com and we'll ship it out to you fast and free. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.